Well, got everything done, but I'm going to show you all a trick I did. Hold on. See, I used the bottle jack to bring down the leaf spring, and at the same time I used the weight of the vehicle and drove it to center the hole. So that's all good now. They ain't getting out. But this might help you guys in the future. I don't know. I know everyone got their own ideas, but that ain't going nowhere. So that's it. That's how you get the leaf spring on the cheap and effective way. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up, thumbs down. Later.